Welcome back, guys. Hope you're doing well. Today we're going to make tzatziki. It's a Greek sauce that's like a dip, goes well with all types of meat, goes well on its own with some bread. It's absolutely delicious, one of my favourite. You can buy it from the shop, but doing it yourself is so much nicer, tastes so much better. It's really easy doing it yourself. You don't waste your time getting it from the shop, unless you're in a hurry and you need something desperately, just grab it and use it. But personally, I used to use it, didn't have much of a taste, and I didn't really like it that much at all. But when you make it yourself, it's fresh, and I've got a very simple recipe for you, and anybody can do it. Right, what you're going to need, very simple. You're going to need 500 grams of yogurt, Greek yogurt, got to be Greek yogurt, nothing else will do. Okay, now I'm doing 500 grams, but you could do 1 kilo, you could do less, whatever, just do the measurement slightly smaller, slightly less, slightly more, as to whatever you need. You'll then need cucumber, half to 1, or depends how much cucumber you like in it. It's all a matter of taste. Okay, so what you could do, start putting some in if you like it, put some more in. If you want to stop, you stop. It's the same with all the other ingredients as well. You don't have to overpower it. You've got the cucumber, you've got dill, you've got mint, garlic, lemon, and salt. That's it. It really is simple. These ingredients you'll find in any supermarket. Okay, first thing we do is peel the cucumber. Grate it. Very simple grating it. Use a big grater. Try not to grate your finger. Okay. I'll probably do the second one as well. And then what I can do is, depending on how much I want to put in there, I can leave some out. Grated cucumber. Okay, once you've grated it, you need to get rid of all the water from it, basically. So you need to squeeze it out. What I normally do is just leave it for 10 minutes and let the water juices just come out. You squeeze it out right away. Leave it for another 5 minutes while you do all the other stuff, and then we'll squeeze it again and get rid of some more juices. Two ways you can do it. Another way you can do it is basically put it into a cloth, clean cloth of course, and rinse it out. That'll get rid of it. Or you put in a sieve like this, and just press on it and get rid of all the water. But you must make sure you get rid of all the water. Do not leave water in there. If it's soggy, it will make a mess of the tzatziki. Next, we're going to cut the mint. Basically, I just remove the leaves and just get rid of this bit, the stalk or whatever it's called. So just take the leaves off, get rid of the stalk. That's it. That's done as well. That's done. What we do now is just chop it up. Squeeze it all together. Do it again, chop it up a bit more. Chop it really fine. All done. That's the mint. Put that to one side. Now the dill. Squeeze it all together. That's quite easy, this one actually. Squeeze it together again. Cut it into tiny pieces. It's amazing how they do it, these chefs. They're like this. Oh, take my finger off. Not for me. And that's what I'm doing differently. It doesn't have to be slick, it doesn't have to be perfect. The main thing is getting a decent result at the end of it, and that's what I want to achieve. I think I may have done a little bit more than I really need for 500 grams, so I could actually top it up and do 1 kilo of Greek yogurt. But what I will do is slightly different. I'll keep 500 grams, and what I'll do is I'll add gradually until I get the consistency that I like. I said before, you do it to what you like, yeah? Don't do what everyone else is going to do. Just do what you think is best for you. There we go. You won't see proper chefs cutting like this, will you? So that's done there. Now, the garlic, what I normally do, just cut it first into smaller pieces. Done. That's garlic. Oh god, there's loads of water. Come on, Jake. You want some cucumber? I think you can have cucumber. Actually, you might be able to. What I do now, put it back on the plate, on the chopping board. Okay, there we go. I'll just chop it up a little bit more. I don't like it too thick in the tzatziki. Okay, then we've got the lemon. Just cut it in half. Okay, we've cut up all the ingredients and it's all ready. We've got the yogurt here. What we do is we add the cucumber. Actually, what I'll do it like this so you can see it properly. Give me a second. Okay, this is probably a better angle so you can see. I'll put some cucumbers in. Might add a little bit more, but let's see how it goes. Add the dill, big pinch of dill. Mix it up slowly. Oh, it's looking amazing. This is so much better than buying it from the shop. Some mint. There we go. Now the garlic. Make sure it's all mushed up properly. Okay, so that's the garlic. Squeeze some lemon in there, 1 lemon. There we go. What I'm going to add is some more dill. So I think I want to make it a little bit greener. Add some more cucumber. See? Just add what amount you want in there. The main thing is you've got the main ingredients in there. There we go. Salt as well is in there. One more go. Perfect. Didn't need to add more cucumber. Can do. It's not going to make any difference whether I do or not. But that's pretty awesome. Also, you might have leftover parsley, dill, mint, whatever. What I would do with it, rather than throw it away because it's a waste, they're like 50p for a bunch of each of these. What you can do, put it in a nice food bag, or even leave it in these bags. Just fold it and seal it and put it in the freezer. When you need it again, 24 hours before, take it out, put it in the fridge, you can reuse it again, rather than throwing it all away. Hope that helps. Okay, so that's basically tzatziki sauce. See how easy it was to do, and honestly, it tastes delicious. You can add, if you don't like it too much lemony, put less lemon. If you don't want too much mint, put a bit less mint. If you don't like it too salty, put less salt, or add salt. Maybe add more lemon, add more mint, add more dill, whatever you want, or cucumber. Whatever you want to make it taste perfect to you. Okay, this is the basic ingredients for it, which I've just shown you. You'll see other videos where they add loads of other stuff. It's just so much. You just don't need all that to make a perfect, healthy tzatziki. It's really easy. Well, healthy-ish. It's got yogurt, which is quite fatty, but other than that, it's pretty good. So if you like the video, please subscribe, like, comment, and look forward to seeing you on the next video. Take care. Bye.